you have a Harley Davidson, sometimes your left turn signal will do this. It starts off regular speed and starts flashing fast. It can highly be the connector underneath the gas tank, and I'll show you where it's at and how to fix it. Basically, to disconnect the gas line, you push up on this and then at the same time pull down on the hose and this pops out. I've already disconnected to show you how it connects. It just has a groove there that connects to a coupler inside there, and that's what holds it in. So you just push up on that and then pull down on the hose with your other hand and it comes right out. So you take that out first, and then take the bolt out of the front of your tank here that goes through here, and then set the tank back. It's also got a bolt back there, and you take that loose. And that's pretty much it. First, you have to take the bolt out of the gas tank front and take the gas line off the other side, and then set the gas tank back. And then this is the connector that connects the front turn signals to the master control. Sometimes those get dirty or they aren't connecting good, so it'll start flashing fast. But sometimes you got to clean them out. Sometimes it's just a matter of pulling it out once and sticking it back in there, and it takes care of the problem. Try again now. See, that's all it took, is just cleaning it up, sticking it back in there. Actually, all I did was unplug it and replug it and it fixed the problem.